The basis of yoga is this, that you are absolutely intense and relaxed at the same time. Right now, the problems, the variety of problems that human beings are going through from within themselves in terms of mental situations, psychological problems, emotional problems, is just this. If you ask them to be intense, they become tense. If you ask them to relax, they will become lax. In tension, you will not know life the way it is. In laxity, you will miss everything. So it's very important that you're intense, absolutely intense, and relaxed at the same time. If you do this one thing, you're in yoga. You're in yoga means you are one with everything. You are one with everything means experientially you know everything that's worth knowing in this universe. Every human being is capable of this. The only problem is tension and laxity. You have to become intense and relaxed. These states of tension and laxity happens to you because you're essentially prejudiced about life. You've already decided what is important and what is not important. You have made one thing big, one thing small, one thing good, another thing bad, one thing high, another thing low. If you just take away this discriminatory process and allow yourself to experience life the way it is right now, you will be intense and relaxed naturally. In these judgments of what is worthwhile and what is not, you become lax and tense. You need intensity and relaxation at the same given moment. Then you are a full-fledged life. You're a yogi.